time, and I need you round, darling. So come home, so come. You keep me up all night, I try to figure this out.
Good morning, y'all. I am now going to taste test the pomegranate green tea that you guys saw from the Advent calendar day 6. It's good. Like, this is probably my favorite one so far. That one and just the plain black tea was so good. But yeah, this one is definitely topping them all right now. So yesterday I had like a mini meltdown because I was like, oh, I want to film a vlog, but all I'm doing today is like editing and I'm boring and nothing is exciting. Like, I'm not doing anything exciting for you guys, so like, why would you want to watch the video? And so I just like spiraled a little bit, but then after I like turned off the camera and stopped filming, I was so productive. I did my dishes, I worked out, like did the fitness challenge, I edited 2 videos, got one uploaded, like I went to work. I also cooked some food, like I was productive AF. And so like I was feeling so down. Also, it was cloudy out and it's cloudy this morning a little bit, and I just, come on Arizona, pick it up. But anyway, I was like, why am I so down today? I am being so productive. It was just because I was like in like a bad headspace for like, oh, this video is gonna be so freaking boring and no one's gonna want to watch it. So anyway, we are in a great mood today, and I'm gonna stretch because I am sore from yesterday a little bit, so I just want to get the blood flow going. I gotta go back to the grocery store, even though I went 2 days ago because I realized my kale mix was bad. So that's unfortunate because I hadn't opened it yet. And then I need to get more matcha powder for my matcha tea and some more tomatoes. So yes, let's get into the vlog.